shadows on the ground, as the echoes of a sunset softly start to sound. In the gentle twilight of the night, we'll find our way through this haze, as we blindly follow the bittersweet melody that softly plays. Through fields of soft whispers, where the ghosts of the past reside, I pray we'll rise with the dawn, our eyes haven't been dry. In the quiet of the night, the world fades away. On a gentle breeze are the words we were not brave enough to say. This is the sound of the end, our final melody, a bittersweet symphony, after we play the last known key. In the following silence, I pray we'll find our unity. This is the sound of the end, our final harmony. In the stillness of the night, we'll find our solace and peace. In the dimming light of a beautiful sunset, our tears will finally cease. I pray that our love will soar once more on the wings of our song, for I never wanna let go. I know our love is that strong. In the quiet of the night, the world fades away. On a gentle breeze are the words we were not brave enough to say. This is the sound of the end, our final melody, a bittersweet symphony, after we play the last known key. In the following silence, I pray we'll find our unity. This is the sound of the end, our final harmony. Through the darkness, we'll find our way. Though in silence, our love won't sway. Holding on to one another, we'll sing one final song. Let our voices rise together, here we will always belong. In our final moments, may our hearts begin to mend. This may be the sound of the end, but I pray the music never comes to an end. As the song begins to fade, and this chapter comes to a close, wherever the stars align and darkness unfolds, we'll dance in the moonlight and embrace the unknown, for the echoes of our love will surely guide us home.